when you guys went to sleep yesterday, maybe
No.
1 hour later,
No.
there was a shepherd here
Yes.
with maybe hundreds and hundreds of sheep.
Today we started our journey early, leaving Edirne at 7 in the morning. The sky was finally clear after days of grey. It felt like a good day to move forward. We had a quick roadside breakfast stop. Nothing fancy, just some bread, spread and ham, but enough to keep us going. Soon after, we crossed the Çanakkale Bridge. It's actually the longest suspension bridge in the world, stretching over 4.6 kilometers across the Dardanelles Strait, connecting Europe to Asia in just a few minutes. It cost us 20 euros, which isn't exactly cheap, but skipping the ferry saved us a lot of time, and with a 5-year-old in the back seat, that's more than worth it. Our main goal for today was a simple one, but it meant a lot. We had promised Jojo that we'd find him a proper playground, and we finally made it happen. After so many days of being on the move, it felt good to stop and just let him run free. He was so happy, climbing, swinging, chasing his own joy. We hope we will have joyful moments like this more often. Later, we headed into Çanakkale, hoping to see the famous Trojan horse replica. But parking was a nightmare. We drove in circles, tried a few side streets, but eventually had to give up. By this time, it was already afternoon, so we set off on an adventure to find our first wild camping spot in Turkey. We spent about an hour driving along the coastline, searching for the right place. Eventually, we found it. We set up camp and I tried to cook something on our old broken backup stove, since we still hadn't managed to buy a Turkish gas cylinder for our main double burner. The meal was simple, just tortellini with cheese, but even that turned into a mission. Guess how long it took to set up camp, take a shower, cook dinner and wash the dishes. 3 hours. Unbelievable. We really hope we can cut that down to 2. Otherwise, camping in one place for just a single night won't be realistic. We'd had no time left to actually travel, work or rest. Right now, there are at least 100 small things we need to figure out before we can settle into any kind of rhythm between travel, work, and family life. Honestly, I'm not even sure if that flow exists. But we'll see. Life is unpredictable. It always has been and probably always will be. But that's part of its beauty.
Good morning.
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 How did you sleep?
Not very well. I was so cold. I was up
Me too.
100 times at night.
And I'm cold too because I'm so cold and I'm for the spatek. The
Sleeping back.
sleeping bag. So
But you slept well.
yes,
But you look happy, both of you.
yes,
So it was a good night. You had some dreams?
yes.
We are at the beach now. And when you guys went to sleep yesterday, maybe 1 hour later,
No.
there was a shepherd here
Yes.
with maybe hundreds and hundreds of sheep.
Yeah, I heard like they went through the car.
Yeah. I heard the bells and I was like, oh, what's going on? So yeah, so I had a peek outside. There was like hundreds of sheep here.
Did you talk to the shepherd?
No. It was like completely dark. I could hear only the bells and and they went this way, and half an hour they went back the same way.
Maybe
And-
they got something.
Is it all wet? Okay. Będziemy mać mocne rany. It's 4 in the morning. We need to get up really early today because we want to